Hello everyone, this is Enea here, and in today's tutorial I'll teach you how to create this 3D looking triangle logo in Affinity Designer. This logo is made of 3 parts that have a gradient applied to them, which gives them the impression of volume. Alright, so to get started we go to File New and we create a new composition. We give it 2000 by 2000 pixels in dimensions, and we click on Create. And then we'll make sure that snapping, snap to spread, and snap to object bounding boxes are enabled. And then we're going to start drawing the logo. So for this logo, we're going to need an equilateral triangle, meaning a triangle with 3 equal angles of 60 degrees. So the way to create equilateral triangles in Affinity Designer is to take the polygon tool and to set the number of sides to 3. And then we set the fill to none. And we are going to set the stroke to a light pink color. And we set the stroke width to 25 points. And then, starting from the middle of the composition, and while holding Ctrl and Shift to expand from the center and keep the 1:1 proportions, we go ahead and we create a triangle of 650 by 650 pixels in dimensions. And then before we continue any further, we go to Layer, Expand Stroke. So what this does is that it converts the triangle into a fill object. Now the triangle is fill only. We need to do this operation before we start working on it with the pen tool and the shape builder tool that we are going to do later. And then we press on Escape to unselect. We take the pen tool, we set the fill and the stroke to none. And then starting from here, from the top inner point of the triangle, we go ahead and we draw a curve like this to its outer extremity here. And then we press on Escape to unselect. We take the Move tool. And we press on Ctrl J to duplicate this curve. And then we rotate it by 120 degrees. And we position the duplicated curve here. And then we press on Ctrl A to select everything. We take the Shape Builder tool. We set the action to plus and the cleanup to all unused geometry. And we click on this shape here to turn it into an object. And then we're going to apply a gradient color to it. So we take the gradient tool, we'll leave the context as fill, and we set the type to linear. And then we draw a gradient from the top to the bottom of the shape. We set the top color to a dark pinkish color. So this is where the shade is going to be. And we set the bottom color to a lighter shade of pink. And also we are going to bring the midpoint towards the upper part like this. Alright, so now we have applied the gradient. The next step is going to be to duplicate it. But before we do that, we are going to turn it into a symbol. So we go to Layer, Create Symbol. So now this object is turned into a symbol. What that means is that after we duplicate it, every change that we make to one symbol will automatically also affect the other symbols. And then we press on Ctrl J to duplicate the symbol. And we rotate it by 120 degrees. And we position it here so that it fits into the other shape. And then we press on Ctrl J to power duplicate, and this creates the logo. And before we wrap up, I will show you the benefits of working with symbols. So we select one of the shapes, we uncollapse the symbol, and we select the shape in it. And for instance, if you want to adjust the colors, we can do that on one of the symbols, and it will automatically also affect the other symbols. So this is the benefit of working with symbols. It makes the workflow much more dynamic and efficient. Alright, so that was it for this tutorial. You learned how to create a 3D looking triangle logo in Affinity Designer. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Affinity Designer tutorials in the future. And until then, see you next time. Bye.